Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find stashes on Donut SMP. First, consider common hiding spots like player bases or secluded areas. Pay close attention to how other players act. Their movements might reveal hidden entrances. Also, keep an eye out for any unusual block placements or suspicious structures that don't quite fit in. These small details can often lead you to a valuable discovery. Next, let's explore some advanced techniques. Consider using an X-ray texture pack or mod to easily spot hidden chests and containers through blocks. Don't be afraid to dig around suspicious builds. Many players hide their valuables in underground vaults. Also, remember to check the nether and end dimensions, as these are popular spots for remote and less frequented stashes. Understanding player activity can provide crucial clues. Observe when players log in and out, as consistent patterns might indicate when they visit their stashes. Try to follow players discreetly from a distance. They might lead you directly to their hidden treasures. Additionally, always keep an eye on the public chat for any accidental disclosures or subtle hints about secret locations. Once you've found a stash, securing your findings is key. Be ready to defend your newly acquired items from other players who might also be searching. It's wise to move everything you find to a secure, private location that only you know about. For extra protection, you might even consider setting up some clever traps around your new stash spot to deter future intruders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.